Okay, so right now we're in Arranger view, and I have the first line here is a synth. You can see synth 6. And right here I have drums, kit 82. So I had drawn these in, extend them by holding down the head and pressing the tail where you want it to end. And so we play this. So we want to add the next synth line, and we don't want to have to mess around in song view. So all you have to do is hold that down. Let's turn it to the right, and it turns into a white instance. Now a white instance, I explain on my other videos, it's its own track independent of all the colors that we can choose from. Now when I added an instance and I turned it with the knob. Now let's say we want to copy the drums over. Okay, so I'm going to hold down on that, and now we have the drums. Let's say I want to preserve the notes that are in here but yet make it a new white instance. Hold down shift. Now it turns into its own standalone track. So if I press the tail on this one, we're going to see, I'm just going to add some hi-hats here. We're just going to see it preserved that drum beat. So I'm just going to add those hi-hats. And let's say we go in here, want to choose different notes. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to turn that into the next section color, which would be pink. So I would hold down on the head and press song. You're just saying move it to the song view. And as you can see in that row here, it shows we have a different section color. If we go back to Arranger view, you'll see it as pink. So I'm going to do the next one really quick. We're going to do the same thing. Don't even have to worry about song view though, remember. So we hold down the head, press song, and then just press song again. Now we're back in Arranger. So in other words, we can just add new tracks in here. We'll make new ones right here. Actually, this one we're going to base off of pink. So shift pink. And we're going to go in here. Let's make faster hi-hats. And then add a bunch of snares at the end of that. And up here, we're going to have to change the notes. Okay. And then again, we're just going to hold down the head, press song again. Same thing. Now we have selection. So let's say I want to play this many times, this, and then this. And then let's say I want to go back to blue. So hold down on blue, and it copies it. Now here I had to extend it. So you just hold down the head, press the tail. Do the same thing with the pink, and same thing with the orange. Another way to select a color, let's say we just push that down, it shows the last color we chose. You can also just go to the right, and now we're back to blue. I do want to mention currently if we add an instrument in here, it's going to add right in the Arranger screen. So you'll see it. It's all set. But if we erase it currently, it goes away. You can't currently add or delete instruments or rows from Arranger view. But Rohan has told me that he will be implementing that eventually. It looks like to me that eventually we're going to be able to work directly just from Arranger view and not even have to use song view.